Even though times are tough around the country, scammers are still on the hunt. They're trying to take advantage of people even at their most vulnerable. And CEO of the Better Business Bureau Southern Arizona, Pam Crim, is here with the details. Pam, it's great to have you. And I want to ask you first and foremost, during this time, what is the BBB doing to keep the community informed about the virus?
Well, first, I want to thank you all for our partnership with KGUN9 on helping us spread the word and getting people the information that we need out there. We're doing a couple of very important pieces of activity right now. We're doing PSAs based on building trust in trying times, and that's to support our 3,200 base of members that are businesses locally. So you can get information about the businesses and which ones are open, et cetera. Also, we're working really hard to keep our bbb.org website up so you can see and get information that's valid to consumers as well as businesses through this difficult time of the coronavirus.
Well, and like I said, it's hard to believe, but there is an abundance of scams right now trying to take advantage of people during a time of nerves and a time of uncertainty. So talk about some of the scams that you're seeing trying to take advantage of people.
It is so disheartening to see this happening, and we could have all predicted it, unfortunately. It's kind of BAU, business as usual at the Better Business Bureau, and I do want to say at this moment that we are up doing business. 100% of my employees are remote, and so we've got a lot of productivity and a lot of information going on for our community. If you take a look at it, all of the merchandise people are trying to buy right now with the masks and et cetera, a couple things are happening. One, you're either not getting what you're trying to purchase because it's not a real valid company and they're just trying to get you to pay up front and you never receive the masks. Or two, you receive the masks and they're really not what they're supposed to be. So that's a really big one right now. Also with the stimulus checks, there's a lot of crazy communication going on. As soon as the stimulus check was brought up, scammers started trying to do outreach and sending people fake checks. So we need to always research everything that you do in working with someone sending you a check or promising you a job. That's another one that's real big right now. They'll promise you a job that, oh, by the way, don't forget, in order for you to start this position, you need to pay a fee for training. Well, that very much never happens. So always be careful when people are doing outreach, wanting you to send them money prior to that. We also have all kinds of what they call phishing scams, where people are trying to get your personal information. They're acting like they're the government and you need to take a survey. And then, oh, how funny, that's the information they want about you. They also try to take access and get on your computer by filling out some of these questionnaires. Also, obviously, the price gouging. And this is a real serious one. And since our governor has put us in the state of emergency, we are very much able to take this information. So if, for instance, you do have a situation where you have experienced price gouging, which is about anywhere from 10 to 30% additional cost to a product that's pertinent to this particular situation, such as masks, et cetera, Perel, those types of products, go to bbb.org/add-truth. And we've put together an organization that's gathering all this information to educate and bring this up to the government.
And you have to do your homework. You have to see what's going on. And small businesses, of course, are having a hard time right now very, very quickly. What are you hearing from them and what are you doing for small business?
We're hearing from them that some of them are business as usual. They're out there, they're working, they're essential businesses, and they're busy. We also hear from those that aren't. And we're trying to support them and get them the information that they need in order to do the new loans through the SBA and et cetera. All of that is on our website, bbb.org, and all of the links that you could need as an employer and as taking care of your employees as well. Just warnings, et cetera, on how to help your employees, as well as it's important to know how to remotely work and be careful of some of the other things. I know Zoom has just upgraded a lot of their system in order to avoid the whole Zoom bombing, et cetera. But all that information is on bbb.org. People can also call us at 520-888-5353. We are answering our phones. So we're all working hard, and our productivity is very high. We're a very, I would say, a socially responsible team, and that we really feel this is our mission to be out there.
Pam Crim, this has been incredibly informative. Thanks so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
And for safety tips regarding COVID-19, visit bbb.org/coronavirus. And for more information on potential stimulus check or coronavirus-related scams, visit bbb.org/scamtracker.